everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am back to teach you EVS subject grade 2. So children, open your canopy, term 2, lesson number 3, transport. So children, transport. Now today we are going to see the lesson that is transport. Can you tell me what is meant by transport? Yes. Yes, it is a means of vehicle. For example, auto rickshaw, scooter, then bicycle. This is the way that you want to go from one place to another, isn't it? When you want to go from one place to another, you use some vehicle, isn't it? That vehicle is called transport, okay? So, now tell me, you are coming to school, isn't it? How you will come to school? Yes, yes, by scooter, yeah, or auto rickshaw. Then if your home is very close to the school, you will come by walking also, isn't it? When it is far, you will come by scooter or auto rickshaw. So these are the means of transport, okay? So today we are going to learn the lesson number 3, that is transport. Just now I told you how you are going to travel from one place to another, okay? Then see here, how do you travel to school every day? Now you are coming to school every day, okay? Then how you will come to school? Yes, some of you may be walking to school because your school is near your home. Now see here, how you will travel to school? If your school is very close, near your home, you will come walking, isn't it? It is very close to the house. When your school is very close to the house, you will come walking, okay? Then, some of you may be taking a rickshaw, a bus, a car or a scooter because your school is far from home. Now see, those schools are very close to the house, they will come by walking. But if the school is very far from the house, what you will do? Correct. You will use rickshaw or bus or car, isn't it? Because why? Because your school is far from home. Then there are many ways in which we travel from one place to another. So there are many ways, isn't it, to travel from one place to another. If you want to go your friend's house, it is very far from your house, then you will use vehicle. So if you want to go in garden, it is also far from your house, you will use vehicle. Then bicycle, rickshaw, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships are different means of transport. Now we can see here bicycle, rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships are different means of transport. Now we shall see again one more time. How do you travel to school? Now how do you travel? T-R-A-V-E-L, travel to school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school, every day. E-V-E-R-Y, every day, D-A-Y, day. Then how you are traveling to school every day means how you are coming to school every day. School is the thing, school is such a place that you have to go every day, isn't it, to learn your studies. And there is, so you want to go every day, then how you will go to school? Then some of you may be walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking to school because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because your school is near your home. Now see, some of you might be going walking to school, isn't it? From your home. Why? Because your home is very close or very near to the school, isn't it? If your school is very near to your house, you will go walking. There is no need to take a bicycle or rickshaw, isn't it? Then some of you may be taking a rickshaw, 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 then a bus, 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 a car, 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 or a scooter, 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 because your school is far from home. Now see, some of them will go walking and some of them, how they are going? They are going by auto rickshaw or bus or car or scooter. Why? Because their house is very far from them. There are many ways in which we travel from one place to another. Now say, there are many ways in which we travel, TRAVEL, travel from one place to another, ANOTHER, another. Okay, there are many ways to travel from one place to another. If you want to go from one place to another which is very far from your home, so you can go by bus, by auto rickshaw, by scooter, by bicycle. So bicycles, rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes and ships are different means of transport. Now see, bicycle, BICYCLES, bicycles, rickshaw, RICKSHAWS, rickshaws, scooter, SCOOTERS, scooters, motorcycles, 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 cars, 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 buses, BUSSES, buses, trains, 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 aeroplane, AEROPLANES, aeroplanes, and ships, SHIPS, ships are different, DIFFERENT, different means of transport, TRANSPORT, transport. Now see here in the picture you can see, children. See here, these are the buses. How many buses are here? 1, 2, 3. These are called buses. Okay. Then this is what? Train. You are going in train. Have you gone in train from one city to another? Yes? Yes, train. This is train. Then this is car. Okay? This is ambulance. If the patient is very serious. So, we will use another vehicle for that. To go from hospital, from one hospital to another hospital or from home to hospital, we use a special vehicle that is called ambulance. Here you can see this is called ambulance. This will be only in the hospital. And this is truck. This truck why we will use? Because to carry goods, isn't it? You will see the vehicle truck, it will be full of sacks. Sacks, you know, sack, pota. In that sack there will be materials. Okay, sugar or rice, wheat, like that they will take in the trucks and they will travel from one place to another, from one city to another. Then you can see here also is truck, and here you can see this in a picture. What is this? This is Tanga. Okay, you know Tonga. So there in that also, from when there is very short place, to go from short place, one place to another, we use this Tonga, isn't it? This we use. Then ship. See here you can see this is a ship. And this ship, it is boat. You can say boat, where it will be on a water. When you want to go from one city to another city, and if there is you want to travel by ship, you will use this ship. You can see your ship. See, in these small pictures, all types of vehicles they have shown. Okay, from one place to another, we will use this Tonga. Then from when the one place is very far from your home, you will use this bus. If you want to travel from one city to another city, you can travel by this train. Okay. Then if you want to go from one country to another, within a minutes you want to go. That time what you will use? Yes, children? Yes, aeroplanes or yes, planes. Okay, you can see a helicopter. Here you can see in the picture. See here, what is this? Aeroplanes, and this is helicopter. This when you use this? Yes, when you are going from one country to another country, we use this. Okay. So you can see here, this man is traveling on a scooter because he want to go from one place to another. So we use this scooter. Then car, ambulance. Then this is truck. This is train. When you want to travel from one city to another. Then these are buses. This truck. This aeroplane. This is ship. And this also aeroplane. Okay. This is truck. So understood this much? Now see here, next part. Now see, animals are also, okay, just now we saw from when we want to travel from one place to another, isn't it? When you are going to travel from small distances there, that time what we will use? We will use scooter. If we want to go from one city to another city, what we will use? We can use bus or train. And if we want to go from one country to another country, what we will use? Yes, helicopter or aeroplane. And if we want to travel from on water, in that we can use ship or boat. Now we shall see animals are also used to carry goods and people. Now why these animals are used? They are also used to carry goods or people. Goods means what? To some eating material or some material is there. That time we will use these animals. See here, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals are also used to carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry goods, G-O-O-D-S, goods, and people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Animals we are using to carry goods and people. Bullocks, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullocks. Then camels, C-A-M-E-L-S, camels. And horses, H-O-R-S-E-S, horses are used to pull carts. A horse driver, H-O-R-S-E SC, horse, driven, 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 cart, CART, cart is called a tonga, TONGA, tonga. See here in the picture you can see, this is what? Tonga, TONGA, okay? Spell with me, TONGA, okay? The next tonga, then camel cart. This is a camel. Which animal is this? Correct, this is camel. And why it is used to carry goods, okay? CAMEL, camel cart, CART, cart. Then bullock cart, BULLOCK, bullock cart, CART, cart. Can you see? Tell me, where do you find this bullock cart specially? Yes, we find it in town, isn't it? Not in city. Mostly we find it in town, isn't it? Then, see here, you can see, say whether the statements are true or false. We use different means of transport to take us from one place to another. What is the answer? True. Yes, what we use? We use different place of transport from one place to another. That time what we want? Is it true or false? It is true, isn't it? We want to travel from one place to another. We can't travel by walking. If it is very far, how you will go by walking? For that what you will use? We will use means of transport. Okay, next. All modes of transport move on the road. Now, all modes of transport, does it move on the road? False, yes. Why it is false? Because some modes of transport are what? They will be, yes, they will be in the sky, that is aeroplane and a helicopter, and on water also they are traveling, isn't it? That is ship and boat. So, all modes of transport, they will not travel on road. Then, bullocks, horses and camels are also mode of transport. Bullocks, horses and camels are also mode of transport. True, yes, they are also mode of transport. Why? They are going from one place to another, isn't it? So, it is true. Then, when we want to go to another country, we usually go by aeroplane. When we want to go from one country to another country, how we will go? Yes, by aeroplane. So, answer is true, isn't it? A rickshaw, car or scooter can move at great speed. Now, a rickshaw, a car or scooter, it will move at great speed? False. It will not move so great speed, isn't it? The speed is very slow compared to the ship or aeroplane. Okay, now we shall see. Do you think we should use animals to pull carts or carry loads? Now just you think, children, and you answer this, okay? The kind of transport we use depends on how far and how fast we want to travel. When we travel to another town or city, we go by bus or train. Now see here, the kind of transport, whichever transport you are using, it depends on you. If you want very far to go from one city to another, what you will do? That time you will use bus or train. If you want, you are in the same city, but you want to go just from one place to another. That time what you use? You use a vehicle, scooter or rickshaw, isn't it? Bicycle or tonga. Then here, the kind of transport, transport, transport we use depends, D-E-P-E-N-D-S, depends on how far and how fast, F-A-S-T, fast, we want, W-A-N-T, want to travel, T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. When we travel to another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another town, T-O-W-N, town, or city, C-I-T-Y, city, we go by bus or train. Okay? This is a kind of transport. It depends upon you. You want to go very far or you want to go very fast. It depends on you. And that only vehicle you will use. In this you can see your bus. See, this is a bus. In the city only. But the place is very far. So that time you can use this kind of bus. You can see this is a bus and people are traveling in this bus. B-U-S, bus. Then next, this is train. T-R-A-I-N, train. This is for what? From one city to another city. Now children, you are staying in Solapur. Now if you want to go to Pune or Bombay, how you will go? Yes, you will go by train. This is called what? Train. You said no in the train? T-R-A-I-N, train. Okay? Then when we want to travel to another country or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on aeroplane. Now when you want to travel to another country, now this is India. If you want to go to America, isn't it? Then Australia, how you will go? You will go by aeroplane, okay? So, when we want to travel, T-R-A-V-E-L, travel to another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, or want to reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach somewhere, S-O-M-E-W-H-E-R-E, somewhere, quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly, we go on an aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now you can see this is what? Aeroplane, okay? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now see here.
Meena goes to Kashmir. Meena lives in Chennai. She is very excited. She is going to Kashmir with her family. Meena and her family take the Rajdhani Express, a train that goes from Chennai to New Delhi. From New Delhi, Meena and her family will take a flight to Srinagar. In Srinagar, Meena's family is going to stay in the houseboat in Dal Lake. She will go for a ride in a shikara, which is a kind of boat. Meena is very happy and excited.
Okay, what you saw in this picture, can you tell me? Just now we studied the lesson that is transport. Okay, when you want to go from one place to another, we use vehicle. But when we want to go from one city to another city, we use train or bus. And if you want to go from one country to another country, what you will use? Yes, aeroplane. Now you can see here in this
Meena
picture,
goes to Kashmir.
she goes to,
Meena lives in Chennai. She is very excited. She is going to Kashmir with her.
now see here in this you can see, Meena, she lives
To
in,
New Delhi. From New Delhi, Meena and her family will take a flight to Srinagar. In Srinagar, Meena's family is going to stay in the houseboat in Dal Lake. She will go for a ride in a shikara, which is a kind of boat. Meena is very happy and excited.
so you can see here, your Meena, she wants to go, she is staying in Chennai. So what she will do? First she will take an aeroplane, isn't it? First she will go by aeroplane. She will take the ticket of aeroplane and then she will go, see,
Meena goes to Kashmir. Meena lives in Chennai. She is very excited. She is going to Kashmir with her family. Meena and her family take the Rajdhani Express, a train that goes from Chennai to New Delhi. From New Delhi, Meena and her family will take a flight to Srinagar. In Srinagar, Meena's family is going to stay in the houseboat in Dal Lake. She will go for a ride in a shikara, which is a kind of boat. Meena is very happy and excited.
so what you saw in this picture, Meena, she is taking a train. Then after this train, she will go to New Delhi. Okay? And after that, she will go in aeroplane. And when she will come from aeroplane, she will go in a boat because she want to go to Shikara. So she travels in a boat. Means how many vehicles does Meena is using here? Yes, 3. Which are those? First is train, correct? Then second, aeroplane. Yes, and third, ship, isn't it? So these 3 kind of means of transport Meena is using, isn't it? She want to go from one city to another. Then she uses 3 types of vehicles. That is called means of
Meena goes to
transport.
Kashmir. Meena lives in Chennai. She is very excited. She is going to Kashmir with her family. Meena and her family take the Rajdhani Express, a train that goes from Chennai to New Delhi. From New Delhi, Meena and her family will take a flight to Srinagar. In Srinagar, Meena's family is going to stay in the houseboat in Dal Lake. She will go for a ride in a shikara, which is a kind of boat. Meena is very happy and excited.
Okay children, today what we studied? We saw lesson number 3, that is transport. What is mean by transport? Transport is what? It a means of to travel from one place to another. So what is the means of transport? What are those? Yes, rickshaw, scooter, bicycle, isn't it? These are the means of transport. When you want to go from one place to another, we use this. But for example, scooter, aeroplane, and when we want to go from one city to another, we use bus or train. And when you want to go from one country to another country, we use what? Aeroplane, isn't it? Or helicopter. So in this way we had studied transport lesson. Just read the lesson. In next period we shall go through the exercise. Okay? Thank you.